Hi guys, today I'll share with you Makita DK0090SWX1 18V cordless combo kit with DCL180 and DF001D. The included accessories are 18V 1.5Ah battery, standard charger, ADP07 adapter for USB, filter, pre-filter, flexible hose, round brush, shelf brush, and Makita Tool Bag. For the DCL180, it will require a 18V battery to operate, and for DF001D, it has a built-in battery. DCL180 has a strong suction power for fast cleaning with more runtime. Backless 2-stage cloth filtration system allows for easy cleaning and quicker debris disposal. Increased storage capacity for longer time between waste disposal. Low noise design ideal for quiet cleaning operation in job site among residential areas. Filter and pre-filter are washable in soapy water for repeat use. With 5.0Ah battery, this vacuum can run for 33 minutes continuously. As for the DF001, it is convenient in a narrow space. It operates in straight or pistol grip position for comfortable operation. Built-in LED job light with independent on-off switch. On-off switch with forward and reverse mode, and it includes micro USB type AC adapter. The charging time is 3 to 5 hours and the net weight is 0.36 kg.
Okay, try it. Mắm cua mắm rồi. Nó âu là nó âu rồi. USB. Okay. Ini dalam bed.